I'm so proud of her. It took a lot of time for her to be that vulnerable and strong. Ang importante sa akin is nasabi niya yung truth niya. After that, parang kayo na lang bahala. Bullying people for fun is not okay. She has my support.
Yasi, how proud are you of your sister?
I'm so proud of her. Sobra. As in, grabe. It took a lot of time for her to be that vulnerable and strong. Even if she did talk about it already, parang ang importante po na sana salamat na ma-pick up din ko ng mga tao rin around her, and is how difficult times are when people are quiet. The silent battles. And for me, I'm just so proud of her for her bravery and how she grew out of it. Merong mga choices sa mga tao after no na mapuno na lang yung puso mo ng galit, ng pot, ng hinanakit forever. And minsan yung mga tao dadalhin nila yun, and that's what gets passed on through generational trauma. But she had the bravery to cut it off. Diba? Parang she's still saying that she's still growing and wala naman ding easy move on ang isang snap na ganyan eh. Pero she's just such a beautiful light na parang hindi ko kayang mabuhay din ang wala siya. Na sana hindi mamatay ulit yung brightness and ilaw na kung ano meron siya. Kasi once you really get to know her, she's such a beautiful person. I know most of the things that she has been through, of course. Yeah, I tried to always be there. Pero syempre po may mga pagkakataon, feeling ko rin bilang mga kapatid or kapamilya na ayaw nila sabihin sa'yo, kahihiya, or what I love about her is how kind she is to almost everything. She has the sweetest heart, and when she connects to you, parang she just wants to give. Sobrang mabait talaga siya. Kahit nga, parang feeling mo minsan parang kaya mo pang lumaban sa kanya, hindi na, wag na, it's okay. For sure, she's misunderstood. But to be honest, you can't really keep on explaining yourself naman sa kahit sinong tao rin, di ba? Ang importante sa akin is nasabi niya yung truth niya, kung katotohanan, di ba? And after that, parang kayo na lang bahala.
Free.
I think it's important lang that people know that, bullying people for fun is not okay. For fun. Dahil uso. Parang, awayin natin to, apihin natin si ganito. Okay yun. It's not. Because, kapag sa totoong buhay, if a kid gets bullied in school, anong gagawin natin? Meron tayong proof. And that's what we're trying to do, diba? We're trying to find a way to really put these people in their place as well. I actually don't talk to her about anything in public unless ito nga, I can speak after her. Hindi ko naman po to kwento. Kaya, ang sabi ko lang sa kanya, speak your truth. Si James talaga yung nandun. Support, that's what she has from me. She has my support. There's not an inch po of insecurity po sa aming dalawang magkapatid ngayon. Talagang support kami. We're very lucky to be surrounded with a core group na kaibigan namin ever since we were young. Sila Keiko, sila Shar, that have been there with us. We always support each other, which is, I think it's normal, pero everyone's parang minsan nagugulat na parang talagang sincere ba talaga? Genuine ba talaga? Wala kasi talaga sa amin yung ganung klaseng rivalry. And so, her path is like singing and whatever she wants to do, I'll support her. And then, ako naman, gusto ko talagang maging artista.